Okay, I think that took like what, 20 minutes tops, maybe 30 minutes tops. But think if you got somewhere to be or somebody invites you out last minute and you want to go but your hair's not done, 30 minutes tops. That means you could still go if your hair's looking a mess, because sometimes it's just looking a mess and you need something quick. Isn't it crazy that wigs used to be my norm? Like, that was all I was doing. That was the only type of videos I was making, like all of that. And I really don't be doing that no more. And it's not because I don't love wigs, I do, but I'm just in a different era. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love a good slick back. I love a good ponytail, and them ponytails been eating me up. Y'all been eating my hair up in the middle. Really had to get myself together. I was like, okay, you need to take a step back, maybe do some braids. All that to say, I need a little bit relaxing for my hair. So when Unice reached out to me for collaboration, I just went ahead and accepted, because like I said, my hair needs a break and it's been a while. So they did sponsor this content and they sent me this wig, which is their EasiContour V-part wig in 24 inches. It's 150 density and it's in their natural yaki straight texture. It comes with several combs and clips for a very easy install process. It also has a removable, adjustable elastic band. It comes with those non-slip grips right around the perimeter of the wig, as well as a drawstring for an extra snug fit. So I'm going to show y'all how easy and quick it is to install this V-part wig. You don't even need anchor braids if you don't have time, or even if you don't know how to braid, especially if your hair is textured. Now, if your hair is a little bit slick, you might not be able to get away with it without the wig sliding. But for most of us, you can install this without any braids whatsoever. Literally all you need to do is secure all the combs and clips in place around your leave out. Take your elastic band and adjust it to your liking in the back, or do not forget that you can completely remove this if you don't like the elastic band. And then the last step is to take that drawstring that's in the back, pull it as tight as you need it to be, and secure it with the little ball that is on the end to keep it in place, and so that you have a snug and secure fit. And that is literally it. Now I'm gonna add a little razzle dazzle to mine, but imagine if this is all you wanted to do. That means you got your install done in less than 10 minutes. Super cute, super natural, and super quick. So literally the hardest thing about this install would be if you want to style your hair like me, because that's what's gonna take the longest and gonna be the most tedious, especially if your V-part wig is long. But besides that, I just did minimal maintenance on my leave out to make sure that the blend was pretty flawless and that my edges were laid. Okay, I think that took like what, 20 minutes tops, maybe 30 minutes tops. But think if you got somewhere to be or somebody invites you out last minute and you want to go but your hair's not done, 30 minutes tops. That means you could still go if your hair's looking a mess, because sometimes it's just looking a mess and you need something quick. You only would have had to flat iron this leave out right here, and just look how natural it looks. I mean, the wind blows, you're gonna be covered on both sides. The only thing I have to say is that the cap was still a little big on me, despite me using the elastic band and the little drawstring in the back. You can't really tell, but I can feel it. Like it's gappy. So I don't know. I think that this will probably be pretty innovative if they still came out with sizes. You get what I'm saying? But even with the cap just being a little bit bigger than I expected, I am still feeling how natural it looks. Like this area lays really flat. I left just a little bit out of my hairline, like around the perimeter, and I feel like that looks very natural. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see what the back looks like and lift it up. Like I said, this cap was still a little bit big on me, and I think if they offer it in sizes, they will really have something going. But I will say, even though I do feel like the cap is big, the fact that you do get the elastic band and the adjustable drawstring in the back really did make a difference, because if I didn't have that, I wouldn't have been able to make the cap size work at all. But because I had that, I was able to get it to fit at least snug around the perimeter of my head. And it was really easy to blend this because of the seamless area of the V part. Like, there is no track showing. The hair is kind of sewn underneath and laid over the top, so that you are never gonna see track when you install this V part. This is the Yaki straight. The length is 24 inches, and the Yaki straight looks so natural. It's very easy to blend with your hair when it's straight. As you can see in the video, I really didn't do much, and it's really like a seamless blend. Granted, yes, my hair was already straight, but it wasn't like fresh silk pressed straight. It was like straight after, you know, maybe you didn't sweat a little bit, like it's getting a little bit puffy, and it still blends really well. I mean, perfectly almost. So I do love the fact that the texture is very natural and easy to blend. And that's it, y'all. Y'all know that I don't be on these wig videos anymore. I just be lollygagging around. I don't even really be on social media anymore. I do like to pop back in here and there, but I just be focused on so many different things, and social media has become like so much. It's not even that fun for me anymore. I just be, you know, all over the place, dipping and dabbing. So thank you for all of those thank you to all of you who continue to support me, even though I'm not super consistent. I love that a lot of y'all keep showing up, even though I don't. And I've never had a community like that. So I just want to say I really appreciate y'all. I appreciate your continued support. And yeah, until next time.